understood that is IoT is not just because of internet interconnected of devices. In fact, IoT is the technology that builds the system capable of sensing and responding. Now we will see the architecture. Architecture is generally comprises of four stages. Sensing and identification is the first stage. Network construction is the second stage. Information processing is the third stage. And integrated application is the fourth stage. So these sensor is help in collecting various minute data from the surrounding environment. So you can read the data and collect the data using sensor. Then collected data is sent to the cloud infrastructure, but it needs a medium for the transport. So the sensors can connect through this Wi-Fi capability, like Wi-Fi capabilities like sensor network, Bluetooth, wide area networks, or anything else, right? Once the data is collected, then it should be processed, then it should be made useful data, which gets into the cloud. Finally, user interface. Finally, is the user interface. It is the integrated application. That information is made available to the end user. In some way, we are all having mobile as the end user. So this is the architecture, general architecture. And what I am showing here is the IoT reference model, which is defined by ITU. ITU is International Telecommunication Unit. See, this is the global infrastructure for the information society. It is by interconnecting the things based on the information and communication technology, ICT technology. Here, it is a convergence of IT and OT. What is IT? IT is information technology. What is OT? OT is operational technology. So here, both are convergence comprises information technology, like which is support the connection to the internet along with the data and with some technologies. Whereas the operational technology is monitor and control the devices and some process, right? Here, there are the four layers. One is application capability and service support capability, network capability, and a device capability. See, application capability is it is like government transport logic and the health care, public safety, or energy resources, etc. All the applications are carried out in the application layer. And the second one is database and processing. In the service layer, the data can be processed and brings into the information. Then the network capability, which I said already, the medium of technology, Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, and GSM, everything is coming under the network layer. And the device here, we have used sensor and actuators. Along with, there are the two cross layer. One is management capability, another one is security capability. So this is the reference model defined by ITU. And also I will show you the IoT abstract architecture in the very, very abstract manner. See, it is started with the actuators and a sensor. What is the sensor and what is actuator? I here called it as the sensor is like eyes and ears of the system. No, see, there are so many sensors like temperature sensor, light sensor, moisture sensor, GPS, vehicle sensor, etc. There are so many sensor is used to monitor or sense the data here in the sense. And the second one is actuators in the first layer. Actuators is I here described like hands and feet of the system. Here, the second part in the layer is controller. Controller is the hardware or the software component which interact with the sensor and actuator. See, for the example, controller is a circuit that it wants to read the analog signal from the temperature sensor, and it would like to convert into digital form. So this is the work in doing in controller. And agent. Third one agent is embedded program. It acts as a bridge between the controller and the cloud. So deciding what data to send, when to send. So this intelligent algorithm is also embedded in this agent. Okay. Finally, the communication layer. Communication layer means the technologies like Wi-Fi communications, Wi-Fi technology, Bluetooth, 3G, 4G. These are all the communication purposes. Okay. This is for the abstract architecture. This is I'm showing here the network built up, how the network is built up. It started with the sensor layer. See here, Here, XB in the device is the sensor layer, and it moves to ZigBee in the coordination layer, that the communication layer with the help of ZigBee or a Wi-Fi GPRS. Then it moves to the supervisor layer, access real-time sensor to the data anywhere with the internet access. That is in the cloud-based web services, right? This is for example, I'm saying.
Thank you for watching.